Ram Ram. In the year 1554, there was a family living in a village, Rajapur, which is near the Allahabad in the Uttar Pradesh of India. The Here the family member that were living, where the male was named as Atma Ram Dubey, and he was a Brahmin. Her wife name was Hulsi. She got pregnant and she gave birth to a child. And this birth was a late delivery, just like a premature delivery. This child got birth at the age of 12 months. Means we all have a 9 month of pregnancy, but this was quite delay. It was of a 12 month of pregnancy, and the child that was born, he was having few teeth in the mouth. So his father got terrified that I don't know what kind of baby this is. So her mother gave that child to her servant. She took her to her village, and the one day after this incident, Hulsi died. Now, this child was nourished by this servant lady, and when this child became he acquired the age of the 5 years, this servant, her name was Chunia, she also died. Now this child became homeless. He started roaming here and there, and after a few days he met a person whose name was Rambola, who took this child to the Ayodhya, and where his Yaggupavit Sanskar was done in 1561. This child was quite intelligent. He was able to chant few mantras. After seeing that, people got achambit, means they said, how this is possible? There he met Narhari Swami, who gave the Diksha of the Ram word to this child. And he started completing his education in the Ayodhya. He was quite intelligent. Whatever was told to him, he used to learn just by hearing once. Shri Narhari, he educated him about the Ramcharitmanas, means the story of Lord Rama. After that, he went to the Kashi Vishwanath, that is a Varanasi. Now, there he started living with Seth Sanatanji and studied Vedas for about 15 years. In the year 1583, he was born to a beautiful lady and started living there. He was deeply attached to that lady. He was in deep love with that lady, and he love was so extreme that once he was working somewhere, and her wife went to her father's home, that is Sasura and Mecca, and she wrote some letter there that due to the illness of my father I am leaving and going there. But since there was no way to communicate at that time, so when this Tulsidas ji returned home, this child, then Now he is not the child, he is a young adult person. And then he saw that his wife has gone to her house. He also started, uh, he also planned to go there. And on that day, there was a heavy rainfall and wind was blowing, but he all avoided this and went home. At about 12 a.m. in the night, he reached there. No one opened the door, so there was a one rope hanging there on the, and by climbing that rope, he reached the roof. All of a sudden, the people of the villages said that some thief has arrived there. They, when they searched there, he found that Tulsidas ji has come, and that was not a rope. With the help of he climbed the mm, that house. That was a one Ajgar snake, and out of his love, he was not able to identify whether it's a rope or, but he was so much emotional at that time. So after this incident, her wife also got some angry, and she said that instead of loving me, if you have loved Lord Rama, Lord Ram, you must have he must have given you darshan. So at that time, he decided that now I'm going. He left the home and he reached Prayag, that is Allahabad. He acquired the sadhu dresses there, and after that, he reached Kashi. Now, in the Kashi, he started telling the story of Ramji to the public. Once he was chanting the name of Ram, 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 and after about 10 days or nearly, he was chanting the name under a tree. A ghost came. He said that since you have chanted so many times Ram, and I was sitting on this tree, and I got purified by this name. So, how can I help you? So he said that I want to see Ram. So he said that this is not possible. I can't make you see Ramji, but Lord Hanuman, that Hanumanji can do the same. But you need to search him. So he said, how can I search? He said that wherever the Ram story is uh, told, he is the person who used to come first and he used to go at the last. Wherever the Ram story is being told to the masses, then Tulsidas ji, he started searching Hanumanji, and once he found that there was some celebrations were going on where the loud Rama story was being told by some Brahmans. He sat there, and there was a one old man who came first there, and he also quitted that area in the last. So he contacted him. He bowed down on his legs, and then Hanumanji told that you will be able to see Ramji in the Chitrakoot, and go there. In 1607, that was a Moni Amavasya. In the form of a child, Lord Rama came, but Tulsidas ji was not able to identify him. So Lord Hanumanji said few lines. चित्रकूट के घाट पर भई संतन की भीड़, तुलसीदास चंतन से तिलक देत रघुवीर. So this is how Tulsidas ji was able to see Ramji. Now, in 1628, after taking permission from the Hanumanji, Tulsidas ji start going toward the Ayodhya, and where he visited Bharadwaj Muni and Yagvalakya Muni. At that time also the Ram story was being told there. From there he went to Kashi, and there he started writing the story of Ram, the real story of Ram, in the form of some poem. But he was writing in the Sanskrit. So, whatever whole day he used to write, when he used to sleep, then the next morning he used to find that whatever he has written has been erased. And the same incident happened for about 8 days. Then, in the deep sleep, he he dreamed about the Lord Shiva. Shivji told that not to write the story in Sanskrit language, but you need to write in Hindi language. And from that day he started writing Ramcharitmanas in Hindi. In 1631, he started writing this book, the Ramcharitmanas. And it took about 2 years, 7 months, and 26 days for the completion of this book, the Ramcharitmanas. After completion of this book, though the nearby Pandit or the Brahmin, they started having jealousy with this man, and they sent some thief to steal that book, because there was only one copy was lying there. So while Tulsidas ji was sleeping, these thieves went there, and they got terrified, because that house was guarded by two people. One was uh, slight dark in color, bluish in color, and another was uh, white in color. So these thieves came back without stealing the book, and he told the person who sent him that his house is being protected by two persons. They are the Ram and Lakshman. So this is how the completion of this book take place, and in the next story I may tell about the Tulsidas ji's Vinay Patrika. That is also a very beautiful book, and which has been signed by Shri Ram. So Jai Shri Ram.